Everyone, please check out this absolutely stunning Jaguar XJR-15. These are super rare. Most people don't even know what they are actually. So this is a 1991 Jaguar XJR-15. There's only 28 made. This one was in yellow, and there's only 3 that were ever painted in yellow. These cars did go racing, and it was super successful, kind of special project from Jaguar. Of course, we know all the XJ20 with the V6 and everything, but this one has a V12. This one still has the V12. It has a manual gearbox, and it's mid-engine, and it is just simply stunning. Really special to see this thing. You're really never going to see these again, actually. I've never seen one before until now. Really low mounted V12. Just check out how low that engine is mounted down into the body. That is awesome. It's almost like the modern Ferraris that have like the really low mounted V8s. You can see all of the kind of headers and everything, exhaust, all these big wires and everything in there. Really cool stuff. It's super cool cockpit. Of course, it is right-hand drive. I mean, this thing's just insane. You can see the full carbon fiber chassis and tub over there. This is really early on carbon fiber, guys. This was back in the early 90s. So check out the different weaving and the different patterns going on. That's carbon fiber. Not as nice as it is today, but it is kind of cool. This kind of lightweight race car inspired carbon fiber right there. Lots of venting. This is going straight down into fans right there. So this is full active, kind of like flowing aerodynamics of the body. Really cool headlamps right here from Bosch. You can see in there. These do pop up, I believe, which is pretty cool. And the body's super sleek. It kind of like reminiscent of the Jaguars of the time, or this kind of these sleek aerodynamic bodies. Of course, this massive area over here for the entire powertrain back there. 2 central rear exhaust tips right there, and of course a tow hook, because it is technically a race car at the end of the day. Really nice stuff. You can just see the kind of kickback and rear tires back here. You can see some massive, look how wide these tires are right here. Huge steamroller tires back here. Really cool stuff. Nice sculpted vents going into the side of the body. Of course, you have your fuel cap right here. You see more of that beautiful engine. And this is really a special vehicle, XJR-15. I wish I knew more about this, kind of so I could share it with you guys. Really cool stuff. And this cool little window right here. Do you need to get out of pieces? Windows do not roll down. They're built in. Let's try to get a better look of that driver seat. You can just see more of that carbon fiber chassis in there as well, which is really cool. Really tight cabin as well. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick look at this awesome, super rare Jaguar right here. It is super low to the ground too. It does really look like a modern like McLaren or something. And check out this badge up front as well. It's like a custom special Jaguar Sport XJR-15 badge, which I think is super awesome to see as well. This one is from the Cultivated Collector. I believe this one's sold actually, so sorry if anyone was looking at this, but yeah. Really rare Jaguar. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for a lot more coverage of the 2020 New York Auto Show with Allcarnews.